Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful cut crease. And I have a lot of tips and tricks on how to do it as well. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cut crease. And I'm going to start out with the MorphexJaclyn The Vault collection. And this one is Armed and Gorgeous. First thing I'm doing is taking my Morphe M441, just a blending brush like this, and I'm going to be dipping into Access, which is right here. Just a little bit of that. Tap off the extra. And you want to apply this as your transition shade. So this is going to go right in your crease and a little bit above. The next shade I'm going to be applying into a little bit lower in my crease. Same brush is the shade Agent, which is right here. Go back in just a little bit more just to deepen it up. And then blend. Now I'm going in with a little bit more of a precise brush. This is my Morphe M506, and it's just got like that little bit of a tapered end. And I'm going to deepen the outer V. And we're taking the shade Smooth Criminal right in here, focusing most of the color on the outer V. And then blending it into the crease. And don't worry if it gets down here or anything, we're going to be cleaning all that up with concealer, and that's going to create our cut crease. And then out towards the outer edge, just lightly blend. Barely touching the skin. Okay, now that we have that shade applied, I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges with no extra product. There's no extra product on the brush. Even darker shade. And this one is called Prowl. Right here. Just pat it on. And then I'm going to be taking it into the crease. And then I'm going to go back in with the Morphe M441, and I'm going to dip back into Access. It's that yellow shade, and then I'm going to blend a little bit more. Make sure everything looks good. Okay, so this is what you should have. And then now it's time to cut the crease. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Sand on the back of my hand. And I'm going to be taking my MorphexJaclyn Hill in JH41. And I'm just going to be coating the front and the back of this brush. Just like this. Alright, so to cut the crease, I'm going to apply the concealer on my lash line, okay? This is how we start out to cut the crease. I'm applying a pretty generous amount. And now a really cool trick to get your crease like where you want it is you're going to open your eye all the way up, look up, roll your eyes, roll your eyes, roll your eyes, and voila. See that line that just created? That's my guide for my cut crease. So now it's almost like connecting the dots. So I'm going to connect this inner corner all the way up to here. So just take your concealer and start connecting. And right here I'm going to be like patting, because when I apply the shimmery shade that I want it to like gradually fade. Alright, so you should have something that looks like that. So now I'm going to go in with, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M124 brush. And I'm going to be dipping into the shade Coin. Same palette, this shade right here. And as you can see, I'm going over that dark a little bit because if you were to go in with a matte shade over the concealer, you're gonna have this weird line. Like, it's not gonna look blended and it's gonna leave this dark patch because that matte shade is gonna be sticking to that wet concealer and it's gonna make a harsh line that you don't want. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Guilt Trip, which is right here. I'm going to be getting my brush wet with Smashbox Primer Water. Get that both sides. And then I'm going to be going in with VIP in the same palette. The inner corner shade. And I'm going to go back in with Guilt Trip and just pat it on top, just like that. I'm going to go back in with Prowl. I'll be deepening the outer V. And then another cool trick is I'm going to take my eyeliner brush, which this is the Sigma Winged Liner EO6 brush, and it's little tiny like this, and I'm going to be going back into Prowl, just dipping into there, tap off the excess, and I'm going to be outlining that cut crease, and it's just going to make it pop more. Okay, so I got a little bit right there, so I'm going to go back in with VIP and a little bit more on my Morphe M124 brush. And I'm just going to blend that out. Alright, and now I'm going to do my eyeliner and my eyelashes off camera. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see anything else, just let me know. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. No. My eyeliner.
Hey guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching.